Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Normie token. N-O-R-M-I-E is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just last night. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, like I said, just got listed on CoinMarketCap. This is an Ethereum token. So their Etherscan is on here, and it says right now they have 1,625 holders, 9,008 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Of course, that is the meme number of tokens right there. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Normie token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their Etherscan or their official webpage, normie.finance. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now this token, I think it was doing okay yesterday, I can't remember, but right now it's down 21.84%. So it's not doing very well this morning, but you never know what will happen in the future with crypto, especially very volatile, could go all over the place. Now, 24-hour trading volume is $10.5 million. Fully diluted market cap, $2.9 million, and market cap is $2.8 million. So, they, besides that, they have a Twitter, which is at the Normie Coin. It says, "Hi everyone, I'm Normie, and I just launched my token for all the normies like me. Go load your bags." And they have 2,711 Twitter followers, 303 tweets. So it says liquidity is locked in their pinned tweet, and they do have a link to their locked liquidity. They also have a DEX tools chart on here. You can check that out. We're going to check out the DEX score in a second, see if there's any warnings on this token. They have a link to their Twitter, Telegram, Uniswap, and webpage, normie.finance. Now their Telegram, 865 subscribers. So they're not doing too bad on their socials so far. So besides that, if you head over to, let's see here, their official webpage, if you didn't understand how to buy this token, how I said it earlier, they do have a explanation on their webpage of how to buy, like create a wallet, get some ETH, go to Uniswap, switch ETH for Normie, and they go over it step by step. You can check all that out on there. They also have a token sniffer link that you could check out on their webpage as well. So it says, "Hello, I'm Normie, incoming crypto billionaire. My story, my rise to crypto success." So it says, "Hi, I'm Normie. I work a 12-hour shift at a gas station and doing what I can to pay my bills and get by. I'm just an average guy living an average life, but there's one thing that sets me apart from my colleagues. I have a dream that one day I'll be a billionaire." I know, it sounds crazy. People don't take me seriously when I tell them my dream. They just laugh and brush it off. But I don't care. I'm going to make it, and I'm going to make it happen, and I'm going to do it with my own way, cryptocurrency. Now, I know what you're thinking, Normie, you don't know anything about crypto. Well, that's where you're wrong. I spent countless hours reading and researching, trying to understand the world of crypto, and I've come to the conclusion that there's a gap in the market, a gap in cryptocurrency that's easy and accessible for everyone, so I'm going to create it. It wasn't easy. I had to learn how to code and design my crypto. I'd spent weekends and evenings working on my project, but I was determined to make it happen. And so I launched my crypto. I called it Normie after myself. I wanted to create something that was relatable and approachable to an everyday person. And at first it was going slow, but then something amazing happened. Fast forward a few months, and my token has exploded in value. I'm not a billionaire yet, but I'm well on my way. So that's my story, the average guy with a dream and made it happen, the story of Normie. Normie, guy who always fails. And then shows how to buy. Tokenomics, it says 90% of the tokens go to liquidity, 5% goes to marketing, and 5% central exchange listings. It says no taxes, so you most likely will not have to change slippage. It says 90% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool. LP tokens were burnt, contract renounced. The remaining 10% of the supply is held in a multi-sig wallet that can be used for tokens in the future for centralized exchange listings, bridges, marketing, and liquidity pool. The wallet is easily trackable with the ENS name Normie CEX wallet.eth. So their roadmap here, phase 1 is the launch phase, then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, 1,000 plus holders, get Normie trending on Twitter and DEX tools. Phase 2 is going to be community partnerships, Normie Times digital newsletter, formation of the token-gated Discord group, Normie Palace for holders, more details to be announced, central exchange listings, 10,000 plus holders, introduce Normie merch, tier 1 central exchange listings, 100,000 plus holders, take Normie from his night shift to a meme takeover. So then, yeah, besides that, they have let's see here, they got 100 out of 100 token sniffer score, so that's pretty decent there. You can go over that. There's a link to that on their webpage. Let's check out the DEX Tools score here. So the DEX Tools score is 89 out of 99. And there is a couple warnings on here. It says they can mint new tokens, and they can transfer... they could pause transfers, so just be aware of that. Those are two. I don't know how they get. That's very strange. If you can check out the Go Plus security on DEX Tools, and it gives a DEX score, and it's not perfect because they can mint new tokens and pause transfers. And yeah, they don't even have a perfect community vote section either. But then Token Sniffer gives them 100 out of 100. So always verify all the audits and all the warnings and everything. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so one of you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Normie token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.